Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages. Yesterday you received notes on divisibility rules. Now, if a number is a factor of another number, that means it divides evenly into it. So like the number 75, 5 is a factor of 75. That means 5 times something equals 75. Today we're going to be looking at factors and finding out how many factors specific numbers have. What we have here are a list of numbers, and we're going to say whether or not each of these is a factor of those numbers. If each of these divides into those numbers evenly. So we're going to start with our 2 column. Dax, will you read me the divisibility rule for 2, please?
The number is even.
If the number is even. Do you know what that means?
Yes. Yes.
What does that mean, Dax? If the number is even. Janessa, you have an explanation for what it means if the number is even?
They can have 2 bodies.
Can be divided into 2 equal pieces. Scout, how would you describe an even number?
The same is, so if you split the number in half, it would be the same. It would be equal.
Okay. Azzy.
If in one place it has 0, 2, 6, 4.
Good. A number is even. Listen carefully. A number is even if it has a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8 in the ones place. A number's even if it has a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8 in the ones place. Meaning, 2 times something can equal that number. 2 times something can equal that number. Meaning, 2 divides into it evenly. All right, so let's look at these numbers we have here. First number we have is 76,455. Aiden, is 76,455 divisible by 2?
Yes. Wait. No. Yes. Wait. Yes.
Is it an even number? Does it end in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8?
No.
No. So it is not divisible by 2. Remember, to be divisible by 2, it has to have in the ones place a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Destiny, 927, is that divisible by 2?
No.
No. Because it doesn't have a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. Ryan, 8,136, is that divisible by 2?
Yes.
Yes. Because the ones place is even. If the ones place has a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, then it's got 2 as a factor. It's divisible by 2. Oh, let's see. Maddie, 35,421. Is that divisible by 2?
No.
No. Because it has a 1 in the ones place. It's got to have a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in the ones place. Ezzy, 91,350. Is that divisible by 2? Does it end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0?
It ends in a 0, so yes.
Yes.
It is going to be divided into 2 equal properties.
Awesome. A number is divisible, please listen. A number is divisible by 2 if it ends in a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8. If the ones place is a 0, a 2, a 4, a 6, or an 8, it's divisible by 2. 2 is a factor of that number. 2 times something equals 8,136. I don't need to know what it is right now. But 2 times something is going to equal that. 2 times something is going to equal 91,350. I know 2 divides evenly into it if it, in the ones place, has a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Emma, will you tell me the rule for 3? For 3.
The sum of the digits is divisible by 3.
The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. When you hear the word sum, Azzy, what does that make you think you have to do?
Like think what I have to do or what it is?
What it is?
The answer to an addition problem.
The answer to an addition problem. So this rule for 3 says the sum of the digits, which means I add all of the digits together. And if that is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So let's look. We have 76,455. We're trying to see if it's divisible by 3. We have to find the sum of the digits. Grace, what is 7 plus 6? Or 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? Good. 14. 14 minus 1 is? 14 minus 1?
13.
13. So 7 plus 6 is 13. I have these two 5s together, so that equals 10. So 23 plus 4 more is what, Grace? 23 plus 4? Okay, good. 27. So this, the sum of the digits in 76,455 is 27. I added it together. 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5 equals 27. Micah, does 3 go into 27? Is 3 times anything 27? You know what? We can make it easier. I can add these two digits together. What's 7 plus 2?
14.
7 plus 2.
Wait. 9.
9. Okay? Let me ask you this now, Micah. Does 3 go into 9? Can you count by 3s? 3,
Yes.
6, 9. It does. Since the sum of the digits is 27, or I can even make it smaller by adding that together, the sum of the digits is 9, then that number is divisible by 3. Colt, what is the sum of the digits?
It's 18.
18. 9 plus 2 plus 7 is 18. Colt, is 18 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Yes. So that number is divisible by 3. It cracks me up. Some of you don't pay any attention. Knox, the sum of the digits in 8,136. 18. So Knox, is 8,136 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes. Because 18 is a 3 is a factor of 18. 3 goes into 18 evenly. 35,421. Connor, what is the sum of the digits in the number 35,421?
15.
15. And I'm writing whatever they say, so please speak up if he's not correct. Connor, is 15 a multiple of 3?
Yes.
Yes. So this one is divisible by 3. Liz, the sum of the digits in the number 91,350 is? We'll add it all together. 9 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 0. $18, good. And Liz, is 18 a multiple of 3? Yes. So this number is divisible by 3. Now, who would want to... I mean, the divisibility rule is great. It helps us. Because who would want to divide 3 into that just to see if it's divisible by 3? If we know the rule, we can do it that quick. If you don't know the rule, you can do it that quick. Now let's look at the rule for the number 5. Alana, what is the rule for the number 5?
The last digit is 0 or 5.
The last digit is 0 or 5. The number is divisible by 5. If the last digit is 0 or 5, the number is divisible by 5. Zach, is 76,455 divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes. Because the ones place is a 5. Seth, is 927 divisible by 5?
No,
No, why not?
because it's not in the radius of 5.
Good. The ones place does not have a 5 or a 0. Rylan, is 8,136 divisible by 5?
No.
No, because it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5. That's an end. Pretend anyway. Brad, 35,421, is it divisible by 5? No. Riley, 91,350, is it divisible by 5?
Yes.
Yes. The rule for 6. Chloe, what's the rule for 6?
The number is even and divisible by 3.
If the number is even and divisible by 3, which if we think about it, we need a yes in our 2 column and a yes in the 3 column. It's got to be even. If it's even, it's divisible by 2. And it's got to be divisible by 3. So it's got to be even number, divisible by 3. So if both of these are yes, then this is a yes. So, Brad, 76,455. Is it divisible by 6?
No.
No. Because it's not an even number. 927. Seth, is it divisible by 6? Is it an even number, Seth?
No.
No. Okay, these both have to say yes if we want it to be, if we want to say it's divisible by 6. 8,136. Liz, is that divisible by 6? Yes, because it's an even number and it's divisible by 3. 35,421. Ezzy, is that divisible by 6? $35,421.
Okay. Let's see if that is divisible by 6.
Is it an even number?
Is it an even? No, it is
No.
not an even number.
Since it's not an even number, it cannot be divisible by 6. 91,350. Emma, is it divisible by 6?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's divisible by 2, so it's an even number, and it's divisible by 3. So if it's divisible by both 2 and 3, then it has to be divisible by 6. The rule for 9. Zach, can you read me the rule for 9?
The sum of the digit is divisible by 9.
The sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Same thing as 3. When we add the digits all together, is the sum of them divisible by 9? Aiden, 76,455. Is that divisible by 9?
No.
No. Why?
Because if it was
What's the sum of the digits?
27.
Does 9 go into 27 evenly?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Connor, is 927 divisible by 9?
Yes.
Yes. How do you know?
Because there's 27 right there, and 3 rows of 9 equals 27.
Okay. The rule says if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Connor, what is the sum of the digits in the number 927?
18.
18. And 18, yes, is divisible by 9. 9, 18, 27. So yes. Ryan, 8,136. Is it divisible by 9?
Yes.
Yes. The sum of the digits is 18. I go 9, 18. That's times 2. So yes. 35,421. Is that divisible by 9, Janessa? The sum of the digits is 15. No. And 91,350. Maddie, is it divisible by 9?
Yes.
Yes, because the sum of the digits is 18, and 9 goes into 18 2 times. So yes, these rules are very handy. As we move on throughout the year, you're going to use them. That's why they're glued in your journal. Subscribe.